Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing surface grime immediately. Use a soft brush or microfiber cloth to avoid abrasion. Once done, test a hidden corner with isopropyl alcohol to confirm the rubber won't discolor or soften. While the test dries, mix mild soap and warm water to lift oils that cause tackiness. Make sure to wear gloves. This protects both the rubber and your skin. This stage prevents damage and reveals whether simple cleaning will solve the sticky feel before stronger steps. You now attack embedded oils by applying isopropyl alcohol to affected areas with cotton swabs, working in small sections and rubbing gently to avoid glazing the surface. Once tack reduces, sprinkle talc or cornstarch to absorb remaining residues. Let it sit 5 to 10 minutes, then brush off. If the rubber shows age-related stickiness, a diluted white vinegar rinse helps break down surface breakdown products. Rinse lightly and allow the part to air dry. These steps restore texture without harsh solvents. You finish by applying a light silicone spray or neoprene-safe conditioner to protect and repel future oils. Spray onto a cloth first, then wipe the rubber to avoid buildup. Make sure to avoid petroleum-based products because they break down rubber molecularly and will make stickiness worse over weeks. If cling returns despite cleaning and conditioning, suspect material degradation. Either repeat tests on another area or replace the part. One troubleshooting tip: if solvent softens the rubber during testing, stop and seek a compatible replacement material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.